Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView offline. The TradingView desktop application provides a dedicated offline mode, allowing you to access your saved charts and layouts even without an internet connection. This means your important data and settings are stored locally, ensuring continuous productivity and quicker access to your analysis. It's a great way to stay on top of your market studies, regardless of your connectivity. Beyond the desktop app, you can export chart data to a CSV file for offline analysis using other software. This feature allows you to download open, high, low, close, and volume data. If you have a Pro Plus or Premium account, you can also export all indicator values from your charts. This is perfect for in-depth analysis or sharing data when you're not online. The TradingView desktop application offers several advantages over the web version, especially for offline use. It's designed to run faster, with improved chart load times and data refresh rates. You'll experience more stable performance, reducing reliance on browser stability. Plus, it helps you stay focused on your trading by minimizing distractions from other browser tabs. To maximize your offline analysis, always save your preferred chart layouts and templates within the desktop application. Additionally, consider downloading historical data when you have an internet connection, so it's available for review later. This preparation ensures you have the resources needed for effective market study, even when disconnected. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.